away from writing comics for quite a few years. So don't ask me anything about anything that might have happened in the past, 2 or 3 decades. And now, you're stuck with me.
Here.
A comic book. What is a comic book? If they don't know, get out of here. A comic space book?
Is it spelled comic space book or?
Oh, a Facebook.
A comic book.
A comic book. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, yeah, listen. This is a big crusade I'm on. Is that me on the screen? Well, how come I can't see myself? If I turn around to look, I get my back. I want another screen over there where I can see myself. How long will that take? All right, I'm going to tell you about my crusade. And this is very important.